Hey everybody, welcome back to Welch's Math class. We're going to do us a little algebra right now in Module 10. We got us a little word puzzle going. I love these things. Don't you love puzzles? I love putting together puzzles. That's what we're going to do here. That's what we're going to do. Let's take a look at this word puzzle. If 4 times the number is decreased by 2, the result is 26. Well, that's a lot of stuff. Man, got to think about that one for a minute. You know why I call this a word puzzle, by the way? It's got pieces to it. It's got parts. It's got separate parts that we need to figure out how to put those parts together. And once we put them together, then we got a nice algebraic expression that we can solve. What I just did is I read that thing real fast like that. If 4 times the number is decreased by 2, the result is 26. To think that I could just write down what all that means without really thinking about the pieces that go into it is almost like saying I can take a real puzzle, a jigsaw puzzle, and I can just throw up the pieces, all of them at once, and expect them to all come down exactly the way they're supposed to. You can't really do that with a puzzle. You got to do it piece by piece. So let's take a look at this piece by piece. 4 times a number. 4 times the number. That's my first piece right there. 4 times the number. Okay, so I'm going to take a 4, and a number will be an unknown. We don't know what the number is. Hey, I know. Let's call it x. 4 times the number. So 4 times x. We can just write 4x. 4 times the number. Okay, 4 times the number. That's 4x. I'm good with that. First piece done. Is decreased by 2. Second piece of the puzzle. 4 times the number was the first piece of the puzzle. Second piece of the puzzle, decreased by 2. So I'm going to decrease that by 2. I think that means I'm going to take 2 away from it. So minus 2, all right, second piece of the puzzle done. The result is, I believe the result is, might mean equals, last piece of the puzzle, or really next to the last piece, and the last piece is 26. So we have just translated this word problem, or put our puzzle in pieces together into an algebraic expression. Hey, now let's have some fun. Let's solve this thing. Let's work this thing out. Let's use our checklist and solve it. First, it's already simplified over here. Remember, we're going to simplify first. It's already simplified over here. This is already simplified over here. So second on our checklist, remember, was transpose to get like terms together. So I'm going to transpose that -2 over here with that 26. So the 4x is good. The 26 is good. The 2 got to go, though. The 2 got to go. It's coming. Right there. Right there. Now, when the 2 jumped across, the -2 jumped across, it turned to a +2. Now, I'm going to go and work that baby out. 4x equal 28. Now, check 2, done. Now we're into check 3, multiplication principle. We got to get that 4 off of that x. Let's just divide by 4 there. Divide by 4 there. Cancel out. X equals 7. So the number that all this stuff was talking about, 4 times the number, 7, is 7. Hey, you go back now and get on your practice problem, do some similar exercises, work your way through putting those puzzles together to get a feel for some of these word problems, and I will see you next time.